All right, good job on the first song. We're going to the second song now, and that's going to be Mary Had a Little Lamb. And good news, we're going to use two chords on this. We're going to use the C chord, which is played with the middle finger on the bottom string, and we're going to use the G chord, which is the red button, and it will be played with the middle finger. Okay? So I've got my metronome set to 65 beats per minute, BPM, beats per minute. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Play. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. Again. Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, her lamb was sure to go. Stop. Nice, nice. And you can speed this up. I mean, just for instance, I'm on 65, I'm going to go up to 75. 2, 3, 4. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. So, as you get better and you're strumming good and you're changing good and you're changing in beat and in step with the song, increase your speed so you can get up and play faster and faster. All right? So, we're going to go to the next song.